Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to change color of third page in Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we create some page in this document. We go to the Insert menu and click Page Break option. Now zoom out this document, see the all page. Now we can see here we inserted some page. Now we change the color of third page, click the third page and go to the Insert menu. Then create a text box, this page. Now I select the draw text box and draw this page. Now I draw a text box in full page. Go to the format menu and change the shape fill. Now I write this page anything. Now we can see third page is color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.